Hello, I am Satish. Today we are going to understand how to use the MongoDB database with the help of command chain as well as with the help of Atlas Compass server. So in my PC, I am installed MongoDB server as well as MongoDB Atlas. Okay, so MongoDB is a NoSQL database. With the help of CRUD operation, we can perform create, read, update, and delete operations in MongoDB. So let's start with the CRUD operation. How to create a database first. So basically, use command is indicate to use the database. So in a database, let's see how we can check the existing database names with the help of show command. Show DBS means show the existing database available in a MongoDB. So admin, config, DB, Java point, local, MyDB. These are the database exist in my MongoDB enterprise. So how to create the database? With the help of use command, you can create the database. So use, for example, a unit. So switch to HUnit. It means that your database is created and it is selected. So with the help of use command, you can perform the operation. Next, suppose I want to insert a particular record, then the command is used for db dot name of your collection, and inside the collection we can create the document. So let's start. db dot, for example, edunit staff dot insert. So this is the basic command used for the insert single record. So we call it the insert one also. Insert one. So with the help of this command insert one, we can perform the insertion operation, or you can just simple the specify the insert one. Okay. So need to specify the parenthesis. Inside a parenthesis, you can specify the curly brackets. So curly brackets indicates the property. So in a curly bracket, you can specify the name of property and its value. For example, double quote, colon, and its value. Let's see. For example, here, double quote, staff name and its value. For example, Satish. Press the specify the semicolon, press enter. Okay. If everything is right, then it will show you result, otherwise show you error. Let's see exact syntax of the particular command. db dot staff dot insert staff name colon Satish, then curly bracket complete, semicolon, enter. Unquote exception, it's indicating that error. Let's see with insert one. Okay, something is wrong happened in my syntax error. Let's see the syntax. Yes. So now my record is inserted. db.stop.insert1 open parenthesis here curly bracket stop name is my name of property and Satish is my name means value of that property. In default case in a insertion of record there is a acknowledgement true means its acknowledgement true is set default as true. Insert ID means object ID is created by default by MongoDB. It's a unique address and unique ID created by each and every value. Okay. Now next we are going to perform the how to view the existing values. So with the help of db dot name of collection staff dot find is the command open parenthesis open and close curlies and close parenthesis. With the help of this db.staff.find, you can see the existing values available in your collection. This is the document, existing document you can see. Now we are going to perform the operation insert many record with the help of insert many command. Here is the command db.staff.insert many db.staff.insert many open parenthesis square bracket open curly bracket name of the property name of that value property name and its value. So with the help of db.staff.insert many we can insert the multiple records at a time. So let's see the result. You can see there are multiple results are created in a collection means multiple document present. With the help of graphical interface we can also monitor or see the multiple interface. I will show you later after the command line demonstration at the end of this video. Now we are going to perform the find operation with the help of greater than and less than operator. Here is the command. So generally db.staff is the collection find the document with respect to the age property whose age is greater than 18. So once I enter the command, it will show the age record. Okay, so all ages are 25, 45, 35. So my condition is valid and true. Now suppose I put here EQ equal. Then let's see the what is the output. There is no output means the age is not matched. I put here instead of 18, I specify 35. You can see the only one record is present in my collection. Okay, so which name is a Seema. Okay, and her name is a Seema and age is a 35. So the according to the available operators and according to the multiple parameters and values, you can perform the many different operations we call as a read operations. Now we are going to perform the update operation with the help of update many command. So here is the command db staff dot update many age whose age is greater than 35 set his job as a senior programmer, and at the end you can specify the semicolon. Check out the curly bracket open and close with respect to the blocks and press the enter. So match count is 1 and modify count is 0. It means that only one record is already updated and current record is not updated. We can set the another one example. You can set here the change the age age is a 25 and job is a junior programmer. And press the enter. So you can see the result in the output. Okay, two records are modified. So here is the command db dot staff dot find and open close curly semicolon. Okay, so here we got the updated record. So two records are updated, junior programmer, because we set the age limit 25, and here is the two update operations are performed. Because we are not set the greater than or equal to, we set only greater than. That's why the those having an age 45 and 35, they are updated. So this age record is not updated because we are not set the equal to operator. So this is the update command used to update the documents or records in a MongoDB. Now we are going to see the how to perform the delete operation in a MongoDB. So let's start. db dot collection name staff dot, you can perform delete one or delete many operations. So generally I am specifying here delete one or delete many based on my requirement. Suppose I specify the delete many and open and close, specify the semicolon and set the filter. So you can set the filter here in a curly bracket. Okay, for example, my filter is age colon 25. It means that my record is deleted. Okay, those document or those person having a age is 25. Okay, the record is deleted from my collection. See, we can see db dot acknowledge to delete count is a 0. Yes, delete count is 0. It means that record is not deleted from my database. So let's see the how we can set the exact filter to our name. So with the help of, you can also say, okay, before that we need to perform some operations. Let's check the name, staff name Satish. Suppose I want to delete the particular name, db dot staff dot delete one. Okay, only I want to delete only one record. Okay, name of property staff name colon Satish. Let's see how it is work. So specify the curly bracket because curly bracket indicates my filters. Close parenthesis semicolon enter. So you can see here the delete count is 1. It means that my one record is deleted from my collection. See, the Satish record is deleted from my existing collection. So we can also apply the multiple delete operation, delete many. Okay, delete many, you can apply delete many. Okay, and here instead of delete many, we can set the multiple conditions operations. Like suppose I want to delete two records whose age having a greater than 30, means I want to say the age parameter age, you can say the age let's see how we can perform the multiple operation. Age greater than or equal to 30, you can set dollar greater than equal to colon 30 Let's check, is it correct or not? Need to add curly bracket here. Enter. So yes, my command is working. Okay, db.stop.delete many age. Okay, those person having a age greater than or equal to 30, the record is deleted from my account. Let's see how it is. Sure. So only one record now present in my account. Okay, junior programmer Ramesh and Sima, these two records are deleted from my the collection using my delete count command. Sorry, delete many command. So this is the CRUD operation we can perform in our MongoDB database.